The Brinly Lawn Roller series is perfect for packing down newly sown seed or sod, mole runs, or frost heave. Once you have finished seeding, a lawn roller from Brinly is the best way to make sure that all of the seeds make contact with the soil. The Brinly Lawn Roller gets rid of air pockets and makes sure that the roots of the sod are in contact with the soil. Using a lawn roller after seeding can also speed up new seed growth. With 28, 36, 48, and 54 gallon capacities, you can choose the Brinly Lawn Roller that works best for you. The Brinly 28-gallon tow roller also doubles as a push roller and is great for small to medium-sized residential yards. The rounded drum ends ensure a smooth tractor turn without damaging your lawn. Brinly lawn rollers won't leave ruts in your lawn during twists and turns. The dent and rust-free poly drum provides the best overall durability, season after season. The scraper bar above the drum keeps the roller free from debris as you roll. The extra-large diameter fill opening expedites filling and emptying. The Brinly lawn rollers are easy to store. The lightweight and compact size allows for easy storage when not in use. For maximum results that make tasks quick and efficient, Brinly lawn rollers are an ideal tool to have. Brinly, since 1839.